What's going on, guys? It's today, today's Monday, and I am currently gonna be working on the Subaru. I was supposed to do it a while ago, but here I am today working on it. This is all messy, but as you can see, I got it all set up, got it all on jacks. It's off the ground. Got my tools there, got the oil, the drain pan right there, got all the stuff I'm going to be doing to it today. Spark plugs I might leave off, I don't know yet. So let's get to it. We're going to get to the oil change. First thing you want to do is you want to take off your oil cap. Oil cap's going to be here, and this is going to be an oil change on a 2006 Subaru Legacy. Oil cap is going to be right there. Take that bad boy off, and then of course you have it on jack stands. I am ready to go. You are going to need a 18mm wrench. Go ahead and get underneath the car real quick. As you can see, the drain plug is right here, right there. Oil filter is right here. You're going to want to make sure that this is not hot at all whatsoever. Like you want the car sitting for like at least 2 to 3 hours. That way the exhaust is not hot. That way you can actually put your hand here. And yeah, actually take that back. It's gonna be a 17mm. As always, I'm guessing so. Nice. course, the hard part, I feel like for most of you would be putting the car in the seat on jack stands like that, getting it ready. The easy part is when you already have your oil, your filter, and your tools, your basic tools, and you're good to go. But yeah, of course, that's how you do your Subaru oil change. Not every engine is the same. Well, actually, every engine is the same. The only difference is that on the newer models, if I'm not mistaken, on some of the newer models, the oil filter is right here, and I'm talking about from like 2016 to 2020. The oil filter is right here instead of on the lower bottom. But yeah, if you have a later model, this is a how-to oil change for your Subaru Legacy, and you're all set to go. Hope you guys like it. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up,